Yo, what's up? What's up? So, I am making this video. It's been a while that I have made a video, and I want to check in. So, let's go to earlier today, 9 o'clock. So, I have this. So, I'm trying something out, right? So, I want, okay, this is how I have my Sierra chart set up. I changed this to the 1 minute because I feel like that's what I like. Okay, I also have, this is the other screen. I have two screens. I have a chart, a 5 minute chart on my right screen. Um, it's at the 1 minute as well. For now, I might play with it from 1 to 5 minutes. And then this is a 15-minute overlay. So it's 15 minutes, 15-minute candles, right? And I have a DOM here. I changed the look. It kind of used to look like this before. Had a range bar chart with the delta and the volume, and then the chart kind of is the same. I had the DOM here on the in the middle, and then on the right screen, same thing, range bars, and then a 5 minute overlay. But I changed it up because um, so I see. Look, so I'm able to say this is the middle. Say this is like my left screen and right screen, right? So and then the DOM's somewhere over here. So I'm able to see. Okay, uh, I'm able to see what it's actually doing. You know, and able to really focus in on say the patterns and um, like say it's a range bar, and then I'm on top step trading a minute bar, and it's fucking confusing. So I'm gonna try this out for a little bit and kind of just stick to this. And I do like the order flow; it's really helpful. And I am gonna try these minute bar charts because I want small moves, and I'm able to see like, okay, the fucking sellers are here, but whatever, they got strong, got weak, and then shot up, something like that, and then like here the buyers got aggressive but not enough, and it's kind of what's it called, absorption, right? It's 1022, right here, absorption. It's kind of ranging, mm, capitulates for a little bit, right? Capitulates, which means it goes down, and then you see, okay, they start to make moves. This These moves are industry moves, right? Look at here. Kind of held its ground. Boom, then shot up. Industry stuff. So as you can see here, look, it consolidates. Boom, makes a move. Absorption. Boom, capitulates. Comes up, capitulates, and I see this level where it tested. Came back and tested. It shot up. Came back close. Shot up, and then look. Came back here, tested as resistance. It was support. Now it's resistance. Came back up again, tested, held this level solid again, solid, right? And that level is 45. Where's that? Oh, so that level is around here, 40. Yeah, so that level's around here, and you can see the stacked imbalances, and it's kind of holding this level of where the um where the session low, or the value area low, is at. Right. This is just, and then on the sides right here is the delta. This is volume, right? So this is big area, right? How much volume has been traded here, or whatever. So I'm just giving an update on what I've been up to. Uh, the market has been fucking with me these past couple months, but I have been changing my strategy up. I think it happened, and I was talking to my buddy about this, that once I passed the eval, I changed my whole strategy. I changed it up. And I changed it up by trading different. I used to trade fast. right? Because what resonated with me was that the longer I'm in the market, the longer the higher chances of me making mistakes and stuff like that. So I am going to really just go back to what I was doing that worked for me, right? Sometimes this happens in life where you try something, it doesn't work, you go back, right, to what was working. And does it mean give up on your dreams? No, it's okay, this isn't working, change something up, and then boom, it's better. Then you learn, you make changes, boom, it keeps going up. You know what I mean? Like, it's just stuff like that. Life isn't just straight up movement, you know? It's going to be a learning lesson. And this isn't the time. It's actually 1:15, 1:11. So look at all this now. It's kind of lined up. This is the range bar chart, right? I can flip to this. From this, I can flip and be like, oh, okay, it's looking like it's just fucking choppy here. There was just one move, right? Watch, let's fucking look at this. So you have to see, look, no need to go back so far back. I've been noticing, because look, these people might not be most of the people here. Hey, these people could be here, whatever. So just know that in London, this is London, the blue, right? The blue. I want to make these the same fucking, like, but I guess because this is here, it's based on the volume traded. So, anyways, so this happened in London. You have to see, okay? This is a high of London, and this is the low of London. So usually it likes to go one or the other way. So look at here. Look at this. Right, look at this, okay? Ray. Look at this right here. Okay, that's the high of London. Okay, and you can say that London, it does something, okay? So say made these highs, made these lows, it's gonna get people out. So there's liquidity and all that, right? And this is stuff where I'm learning more and more of like what actually works. Yeah, there's patterns and there's candlestick patterns, but like just imagine, bro, like just imagine, okay? Look, there's patterns. Look how different this looks. I like how these look. Look at this. This was news or something. 8:30. Yeah, for sure news. So, anyways, so this look just an example. Okay, let me see a lip just so you can see what I'm seeing. Okay, so here, all this area right here, there's stop losses that people put. So people got in, right, expecting the market to go, say, to there, right? Because, or even better, to there, to right here, okay? So people put stop losses. People put a lot of stop losses. Say to this, right? Which is like a fucking crazy stop loss, right? Just for example, a lot of these people, okay, right? Once they saw, oh, okay, it's kind of holding here, boom, I'm gonna buy it. It's gonna come up, and a lot of these people have stop losses. right? So when this hit, boom, it got all those stop losses out. And then the big dogs, since it's around this time, the big dogs, boom, what they do? They started moving, boom. Okay. And then they went here and got the people that were still in for the opposite. Fuck. Okay. So, for example, okay. So, for example, these people, a lot of these people put their stop losses, say, above this area, right? So when people, not a lot, right? But say a lot. If you're a swing trader. So look what it did. Maybe people put their stop losses above this. Say it was going up. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go up now. Went down. And then look, came back up here, came up here. Same thing, bro. Same thing. You know? It's like that where people that got in there, all these people that got in short, boom, I stopped out. All these people stopped out. Resting orders, all kinds of stuff. Right? Came up here, lost momentum, boom, started to drill down, boom, drill down. It's gonna go up, nope, drill down, up, down, drill down. This was clean. I really like stuff like this because it's like it's moving, you know. This big industry shit. What the fuck? Okay, big industry stuff. All these candles, right? All these candles are candles that move the market, right? No retail trader can make this. These are big dogs, right? So so you see, okay. So this was London low from the past day, and then look what happened. Boom, held. Look at these candles. Held. Small fucking candles. And then what happened? 5, 10, 15, 20. Boom, 20, 30 minutes was fucking just holding people, eating up orders, and then it just shot up. Boom, nice. Boom. All those people that put same thing over here. You know, they're just doing ellipse or red ellipse. So look, all these people that thought, okay, it's going short, double down. Put stop loss, say above this, around here, all this area was full of stop losses, right? So these people were betting that the market was gonna just retrace and continue, right? It got a couple people. And then what did it do? It fucking went up, got people out, and that's like fuel, okay? Same thing here. Came up, came up here. People thought, okay, now it's gonna still go down. Nope. Hold up. Hold up. Okay. People thought it was gonna keep going up, and they had like fair value gaps or whatever. and they thought it was going to still go down, and it didn't. It got all these people out. A lot of people joined here. Nope, not yet. Came up, held. Nope, not yet. So with patience, that's part of the game. That's most of it. That's most of the fucking of the battle. Just being patient, right? Say you missed this move. Oh fuck, it's going up. Came down here, held this area for a while. Boom. Let's see here. In this during trading times, that's the time where it's going to move the most sporadic but quick. So ideally, I want to trade. I want to trade these times 45. I want to trade this time. So can I see moves here? Yeah. Look what it's doing. Okay. Let's see. Look what it does. Look what it does. It goes higher, high, low, high, higher, low, equal, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, high, and then that's when it starts to, I guess you can say, break a structure, right? So look, boom, low, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, lower, high. No, yeah, lower, low, higher, low, lower, low, lower, high, equal, low, higher, high, higher, high. So break a structure. So there's so many moves here that you can kind of see with the order flow. It's going to help. It's going to help to see. Wait, is this the time? 8:15, 8:14. What's on yesterday? Let's see. 8:14. So yesterday. Boom. Open. Strong. I want to mark this area. The first beginning of the open. Right? Because that's what it's doing. So this is what you want to be looking at. This. And then this. Once it gives you a low and a high, then you can see. Then you just be patient. And what do you see? Okay. Here. No. Lower, high. You could even put a little rectangle here. Look, high. This area. Right? If it was on this side, then you would do the same thing on this side, but on the opposite side, whatever. So look, it's staying above this area. Patience. Higher lows. In an uptrend, you see the lows. In a downtrend, you see the highs. That's what I've learned. Okay, so look, you see this? Boom. Big seller stepped in, came down, rejected, held above VWAP, and then fucking shot up. Right? Came back, tested VWAP again. Boom. Came up. EMA is dancing above the EMA. Came. It's testing this area. Right? Again, testing this area. It's beautiful. And you can see. Okay. You can see the buyers, the sellers are getting aggressive, but nothing's happening. And it's continuing to go up. Right. So that's a cool little play right there. Right. I like to do that in the beginning. Depending on, see, these are minute candles. And right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom, shot up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you just see the lows. Okay, it shot up, shot above this high, closed above this high. Okay, let's see what's happening. Trend, watch the lows. Boom, low, all right, low, higher lows, all right, higher lows, entry here. See what I entered here on this candle. It's rejection candle. 71. All I need is 4 points. What's 71, 75, right? Would it hit 71, 2, 3, 50 here? Would it hit on this candle? All right, so 71.50, 79.50. That would have been my stop. All right. This kind of video was just longer than needed. I just wanted to give you guys an update and um, just tell you guys I'm still in it. I'm still here. I'm still trying my best, trying my my best. It hasn't been the best. It hasn't been the best lately, but I am I am working on it, and I am going to be, I guess, still trying my best. That's all I could really do. And look at this day. 16-minute care. It was a lot of time. All right. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you keep doing your thing too. Journal, do the gym, better your life, meditate. I'm gonna implement that. All right. Peace.